napapansin sa iyong mga kapaligiran. Kay dumi na ng hangin, pati na ang mga ilog natin.
Hindi nga masamang pag-unlad at malayo-layo na rin ang ating narating. Ngunit masdan mo ang tubig sa dagat.
Wow, what a nice flower. Wow, look at the bird. I've never seen one like it before.
The diversity of life is truly immutable.
Absolutely, Ryan. Every species here has its own unique role to play in the ecosystem. Fascinating. Interconnected this species here is astonishing.
Can I help your research?
Yes, of course.
I want to learn more about the plants and animals here.
Turning this forest into a housing development proves away.
But what about the environmental impact?
Because whenever this forest, our biodiversity is at stake. Let's protect our biodiversity.
Let's protect our biodiversity.
This forest is not just a trees and animals, it's our heritage. We must protect it.
Our biodiversity is a treasure preserving. Once it's gone, it's gone. Biodiversity loss will have far-reaching consequences on our health and well-being.
Enough of this mentality. Forest required sacrifice. Think of the growth of economy.
We cannot destroy our hope. Together, we can make a difference.
After careful consideration, we've decided to preserve the forest as a protected area.
It isn't over. We'll find another way to profit.
I've been trying to grow crops, but the soil isn't the fertile it should be.
I'm worried about this water quality. It's getting worse every year.
Things don't improve soon. I don't know how will we survive.
Today, we take action to heal the land and protect our biodiversity.
Each plant and each habitat we restore and brings us one.
This is our system. I need to find a way to outmaneuver them.
It's amazing to see how the ecosystem rebounded.